the whole industry is just now trying to catch up to this demand. The demand is actually coming from both ways. It's coming from the people demanding their goods and services to be delivered across this channel, e-commerce, and also from the suppliers. They identified that, look, this is an opportunity that we need to tap into. And all of the sub-services are now in high demand, like fintech, payment gateways, online portals, last mile delivery, logistics. All of these, I would say, sub-services are now in high demand in terms of e-commerce.
So Tamara is the leading buy now, pay later platform in the region, with more than 2.5 million registered customers and more than 3,500 merchants. Tamara is actually 20 months old startup, so we were able to achieve that in under 2 years. One of the reasons that we see the growth happening is the population is actually a young population. They're very tech savvy. They focus on convenience, and we see a big shift from brick and mortar to e-commerce. There are so many challenges in this market and so many opportunities. When you look at general stats like median household income, it's very comparable with developed markets. So there is a big opportunity in this region.